Hey there YouTube, we're going on a motorcycle road trip now to the place called Kava in Kerala. Try out moto camping. I think most of these waters will be dried up right now in summer, providing us with the green pastures suitable for tent camping. We'll try out if it's suitable. If it's not allowed there, it'll probably look like this. If it's not allowed there, it will be just another motovlog video. Let's see what goes. Look at my Indian stallion, but we're not taking this guy today. We're taking another Royal Enfield. Say hi. First stop, T-Sharp, 5 kilometers, 5:30 a.m. Looking for a fuel station to fill her up. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks. The tank is full and the trip meter is on. We out here making posters and we ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bro. 40 kilometers south. This is the first scenic place we are seeing. It's called Moto, south of 40 kilometers from Chennai. Look at this. This is how it looks on Google Earth. This is a 3D view. That signboard is attractive enough. Remind us of another cup of tea. Time now is 7:20 almost, so I got rid of my biker jacket, so it's so thick it's already getting sunny. We live near the Tropic of Cancer. It is a sunny region even at 7:20 in the morning. I learned something from the last time. I'm not going to let my hands tan up, so I'm gonna wear my hand sleeves, stop you from getting ugly tan. Okay, they're on now. I'm pretty sure they'll be used. They're so cheap, guys. They're almost like $1.5 here in South India. This is a big menu. However, South India bread omelette is the most famous food. My bread omelette. This reminded me of my favorite verse, Isaiah 38:11. Let's see who knows. Comment down below. You'll never know how fast it went inside. Just walked right into my mouth. Currently we are at Moto. This is not the same Moto we visited in our last video. That was wildlife. This is 40 kilometers south of Chennai. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. That is the second tall booth. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. Do you guys do this on your rides? Can you wear gloves? Tell me in the comment below. We're already starting to see mountains now. Third stop somewhere in Viluppuram district. Hey guys, we're like 200 kilometers away from my home now. This is a beautiful coffee shop. We stopped right before Ulundurpete, so that's where we take a diversion from the highway. So we're going to take a diversion at the highway at Ulundurpete. It's about 20 kilometers from here. Time now is 9:30. So the Scenic Road starts here. Look at this beauty. This is Black Beauty. We used to call it Black Pearl, but that name is taken by so many people, guys. So this is a tent that I bought from Decathlon. So this thing fills up huge space. Without that, these two trekking bags would do just fine. I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose. Bro tries out his newly bought
biker gloves on his cell phone, not doing him a favor. Above, Royal Enfield gloves comes in for the rescue. We are now getting towards Ulundurpettai. That's another junction. We take a right. So the Scenic Road starts here. We expected too much from that road, and soon we are all dried up. We're looking for somewhere to have some lunch. Found it. Time is exactly 1 p.m. and we're having an early lunch today. It's a cool looking isolated spot. So cool around here, even though it's the hot sun. There's a lot of trees around here keeping the place moist. Original taste.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind?
This was the first time I was using my newly bought DJI Mini 3 Pro drone.
I feel like I'm losing.
Guys, just wait for the next sunset view.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day.
Guys, that's the 6th stall booth we're entering within the 400 kilometers ride.
Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
You guys can imagine how sunny it was if I should do this.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like...
Yo, we're here at another coffee shop. அப்படியே அவர் தெரிறாரா அப்படி நீங்களும் தெரியுவீங்க. உங்கள் கையில் இருக்கிற அந்த குச்சி மட்டும் தெரியல பாருங்க. என் விரல் தெரியுது, என் விரல் இந்த பகுதி தெரியாது. எல்லாரும் அட்ட டைமில் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஒரு வாட்டி பீச்சுக்கு போகிறப்போ நான் கூல் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் வச்சுருக்கிறேன். பின்னாடி ஒருத்தன் வந்து என்ஜாய் பண்ண கொடுத்துவான். நான் எனக்கு பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறேன், அது தெரியாமல் பின்னாடி ஓடிட்டு. Guys, another place, another coffee shop, just 100 km farther. It's 5 p.m. in the evening. This is where all the Scenic Roads starts. Let's take a good look at Black Beauty.
To grown with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord,
So guys, we are 430 kilometers away from home.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That that's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Look at the sun already scorching up, but it's 6 p.m. We're not gonna miss out the sunset.
Guys, you have no idea how beautiful this is. I hope Insta360 X3 does some justice to this. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. This is scenic. Now I know why people use words like marvelous and things like that. But this one's the most scenic coffee shop on the highway up until now for today. Hey there guys, so we are here at the nearby Palakkadu from another state. So we're crossing states now for you guys. So we're gonna try motor camping at a place called Kava. So nobody seems to know that place very well because it's so isolated, but some people know that online. I saw that place on Instagram. So it's kind of like a green pasture nearby a very big lake, so isolated, so wild. So we're going to try motor camping there. We've been searching for room stays all day, all afternoon. So we grew tired. It's time now is 9 p.m. So we're staying at a place called Malampura. Sounds funny that. So this room has like 2 bedrooms, 2 beds and 1 AC. So this costs around like 1,000. Awesome. So check out at the morning. This room costs about 1,000. Universal reference, of course. See you guys tomorrow.